Okay. Oh, they're not that close. This guy's in Ashing, probably the most known freshie town there is. Wow, BK and CR527. Doing well for yourself already. I mean, both of those are super lethal guns. One shot to one shot, BK-18, hands down. But the CR527, that ammo is around, and you can get a mag for it. This guy, is that a Bakir in your hands? Can't tell, he's moving too fast. Alright, ForestBrother. Oh wow, that guy went up to the roof. Got lucky there. How we doing, Forrest? No, just took a little whap. Just 4 health down, no big deal. Hey, Boom's back. Can't even say his whole name. There's a guy in global chat, which is only official, so it's 30 meters. He got beat to death by zombies and said, ban this guy. And then and then the next message was, never mind. Let's see what happens. Looks like one of them's sprinting. ForestBrother, what you gonna do, bub? We gonna do some shoosting to a complete freshie? I would not suggest killing Zeds that way.
My hero.
This fucking guy. This is a guy that just died. He's getting his ass kicked twice by Zeds. This fucking guy. Does Force not talk? ForestBrother says, okay, bye. Bro, is that really an encounter? I think they didn't loot properly. That's my guess. Nope. He had a mag right here for that gun. Told you. And a knife. Oh, that one's ruined. Okay, I'll give you that one. Box of 5.56. That was his ammo. Another mag. And 9mm. And an SSG-82 mag, which, why not take it? Yeah, that's what I fucking thought. That bro could be rolling with 2 mags and 25 rounds of ammo. Bummer. My hero. What a fucking idiot. That's awesome.